Hi, I'm Moenkhoff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a washer lid switch after it failed, resulting in the washer not able to do a spin cycle and drain the water. First thing we need to do is unplug the unit from electricity. Next, we'll remove the two screws at the bottom of the front panel on the washer and gently pull down on the front panel. In this model, the lid switch is in the front right of the cabinet up here. We'll need to disconnect the electrical plug. In order to verify it really is a bad switch, I'm using an insulated jumper wire between the two contacts in the plug. This will allow power to bypass the switch, fooling the washer into thinking the lid is closed. I plug the washer back in and start the washer on spin cycle, and as you can see, it is spinning now, so the switch is bad. Be extremely careful here so that you do not come into contact with any electrical or moving components. Next, I unplug the washer again, remove the jumper wire, and unscrew the switch. If you're getting value out of this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out. The replacement switch I got, even though it is a replacement, does not fit perfectly, so I have to play around by removing a bracket and then work it around to get it in the correct position, so the lid contact will strike the switch plate. Here you can see I've removed the entire galvanized corner bracket. I test it out and make sure everything is going to make great contact. Hook the electrical plug back up to the switch and zip tie the wiring harness back up to the washer cabinet. Next, I put the front panel back on the unit, aligning the tabs with the slots. I use a large screwdriver to lift up the panel so that I can put the two screws back in that hold it in place. After everything is back together, I give it a final test run before I call it good. The new switch's safety lock had a different circuit and required a different plug. It was incompatible with my plug, so I was unable to use it. So it will allow the lid to open with the drums spinning at high speeds. Here's the old switch and the mounting bracket I had to remove. You can see where the internal components of the switch melted the plastic casing, causing failure. If you want to see another repair to this washer, click on this video right here.